Hey guys, look at these color surprise balls. Let's open them. And here is the first one, and who is inside? And inside I see Dog McStuffins. Actually, she is a 9-year-old girl, and she really cares of her toys and the toys of her brother. And look at her, she's from Lego. Yes, we can play Lego with her, and she has a phonendoscope. Let's open our orange surprise ball, and inside is orange M&Ms. Hey M&Ms, open your eyes. Hey. Don't neglect to see us. Let's open now this orange surprise, and who's inside? And inside is Zoomer. Zoomer is a Paw Patrol character, and he is a chocolate Labrador Retriever puppy. Look at him. Let's open now this green surprise ball, and inside is a car. It's a car character, and his name is Fillmore. Fillmore is very loyal and happy and smooth and eco-friendly and easygoing. Yes, indeed. So we have another surprise ball to open, and inside is... Oh, here is Peppa Pig! What is this, Peppa? Look at your boots, you have such a pretty yellow boots. Oh wow! And you have such a warm scarf. Oh Peppa, you're really ready to cold weather. And look at your hat. Peppa, I love your look. Okay, take your place here, Peppa. And now we open this purple surprise ball, and inside of this surprise ball is somebody purple. Oh, here is a Twilight sparkle of this pretty little pony with corn on her head. And look, she has wings. Here is a comb. Very nice. Let me fix you here. Oh, I'm a little bit messy today. I'm sorry, Twilight Sparkle. Oh, sorry, what is that? I can't fix you. Okay. So here is the last one, and here is the pink surprise, and inside is a pig. And actually her name is Hum, and she's from Toy Story cartoon. Hum is a wisecracking piggy bank. Thank you for watching us. We are always glad to see you at Kids Toys channel. To have more fun, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.